Hello everybody, my name is Shawn and today I'll be doing an unboxing on the Kindle Fire HD 7-inch tablet. So, when we take out the top flap, we actually have the box, which when we open, there's the Kindle Fire HD, a micro USB cable, and a getting to know your Kindle guide. But none of that's actually important. When we unwrap the Kindle, this is Kindle. I'm guessing this is a top. We have your volume rocker right here, your power button, which is right here, looks like a speaker, a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom we have a micro USB and an HDMI out. On this side we have another speaker grill. On the top we have nothing. Okay. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. Okay, so we slide to unlock and we get a bunch of languages. So we will select English and press continue. Sorry about that. I was trying to get my camera to focus and it's still not focusing. Okay. So anyway, we chose English, press continue, and it asks you for your wireless network. Okay, so I will select my wireless network. For now, I'll just put the camera down to type in my password. And it's connecting. Okay, it then says register your Kindle. I actually don't have an Amazon account, so we will create one. Okay, so here's my Kindle info. When we click register, it's completing registration. Okay, then we have to select our time zone. We are in the Eastern time zone. Continue, and as you see, your Kindle is now registered to Bobby Flagrant. Yes, I guess I'm Bobby Flagrant. It also asks you to connect to social networks, but we'll skip that for now. And there we are at the Kindle homepage. Here's our quick access guide. Adding to favorites. We can access our favorites from anywhere using the star. And we can swipe down from the top to manage settings. There's also, we can back up, I guess, on the cloud. And there's our home screen. And Amazon Prime. And there we are. There's currently nothing, I guess, on the Fire itself, but take you home. We'll go into settings. Ice about, and here we are. Well, if you guys have any questions, please ask in the comments. I'll be doing a full review along with some other things, such as I might be rooting it and installing custom ROMs. So if anyone has any recommendations, please don't be afraid to let me know. Thanks. Please like, comment, and subscribe.